Here comes an in-your-face superstar, Fallon Henley.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making her way to the ring from Chelsea, Michigan, Fallon Henley.
You have to be careful around Fallon Henley. She'll knock your teeth out and keep them as a souvenir.
You can feel Fallon's focus. She has an incredible intensity and is a one-woman ambush.
I've had the pleasure of calling a lot of Fallon Henley's match.
Here comes the heart of Chase U.
And representing Chase U from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Thea.
Having come straight out of high school to NXT, Thea has made it clear she doesn't want her youth to define her.
Yeah, Thea Hale wants to prove that she really is a grown woman who can hold her own.
And that means no more waiting, no more asking for permission. Time to stop being a student and start teaching lessons.
Thea Hale is a true ball of energy with endless potential.
She's been living up to that potential and is ready for the next level.
Well, time will tell if she's got the aggression to get there.
That's the bell, and as you can see, Thea Hale is ready to make a statement here tonight.
Not the most experienced member of the roster, but she's getting better with each match, with every bit of adversity thrown her way. She's looking to be the next big thing here in WWE.
The opportunity to prove herself is hers for the taking tonight could be that pivotal moment.
And then we've got the rough and tumble Fallon Henley. This gutsy superstar is focused on two things: taking her game to the next level here in WWE and having fun doing it. Look at her cinch in!
Come on! Has the arm trapped or had the arm trapped?
Face buster! Man, that was vicious.
She looks hell-bent on finishing things right now. From the top rope, missile drop kick on point.
Shoulders down!
An ineffective pin.
Incredible power to kick out at just one. Hale able to ward that off.
Nice arm drag.
Fallon Henley, boom! Hold down. That could end Hale right now. Try and end it. What in the world? It was almost all over for her. It does not get much closer to 3 than that.
Was not able to seal the deal with her best move. Now she's asking, what more can I do? Henley was scouted there. She's in the ring now. Cha-ching! Step up Enziguri.
She's rising back up on those wobbly legs.
And all that momentum comes to a screeching stop.
Beautiful athleticism.
She's losing some steam now.
Well, all things considered, Cole, it's not a bad condition to be in at this point in the match.
Oh, what a tackle.
Might take her head clean off her shoulders.
Big impact. Comes crashing down. Fallon Henley has lost any sense of command in this one.
This can't be how Fallon envisioned tonight going.
Sent to the outside.
Gonna risk it all right here.
Thinking about it, gonna do it!
Suicide dive!
Risking it all and able to connect like a homing missile.
And she slides her back to the mat. Well-placed elbow to break up the maneuver.
She's on unsteady legs in the corner, needs to recover.
The advantage in Thea Hale's corner now.
Hale loves to have this kind of control.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Golly.
She is being destroyed in there.
Yeah, not looking good at all.
Looking for a scoop slam, but from behind.
Inverted DDT.
She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
Hale able to counter. Shoulder tackle. Fallon Henley has lost any sense of command in this one.
This can't be how Fallon envisioned tonight going. Beautiful senton.
Thea Hale has the target acquired.
The Kimura.
The Kimura.
Kimura lock cinched in. Body wrap. This could be over.
I'm going to tap out here, but it ain't going to matter.
You still do a lot of damage, though. There it is. Let's put an end to things here.
Boom! Devastating clotheslines. And the calf kick as he...
Flying possum!
Whoa!
Flying possum! She kicks out with force.
What stamina. It's truly impressive to completely beat the count here.
Momentum isn't completely out of Hale's side just yet.
Good chance for Thea to gain her wits about her.
Oh, neck breaker.
Scratching and clawing. This could be it.
She wins! She wins! Now let's get another look at some of the high points of that one.
Here is your winner, Thea Hale!
Thea Hale beaming. She has to be proud of this victory.
Fallon Henley's a tough woman. This loss won't get her down for long, and she'll come back even stronger.
Thrown back in under the ropes.
She's getting back up, but she might be down again soon. Rounded down, looking for the...
A